Hey folks, my old work truck is, well, it's an old work truck. Doors don't stay on very well. Well, they stay on, but they rattle. And the problem is the latch inside the door here is worn out. Let's zoom in. Now when I got the truck, this latch, it actually didn't have anything on it at all. It was just a metal, bare metal. The nylon bushing that keeps the door from rattling had completely broken away, and so what this is electrical tape that I wrapped around there, and it worked for a little while, but again it's worn out, and so it's time to replace it. I got a replacement from the auto parts store. I did not go to Ford for this because Ford wanted about $80 for this, and they're about $8 at the auto parts store. So there you go. You're going to need a special tool. It's a star bit, and it's a T50 star bit for taking off the old and putting the new on. It's real easy to do. Oh, there we go. That was easier than I thought it would be. Washer, man, that's just chewed up. Maybe it's not aligned correctly. I don't know. It really doesn't have any way to line or misalign. It does have a way to line or misalign. All right. Let's try that now. That is a solid door now. All right, let's go to the driver's side. Okay, so what I just learned on the passenger side is that when you take this off, there's going to be a dirty spot that shows where it's been. It's because this can move around in there. So you want to just line it back up with the old dirty spot. So use our T50, unbolt that, see how it moves around now. That lets it be adjusted, and you're gonna laugh at this. My replacement bushing, like I said, was electrical tape. That's just shameful. That's shameful. Worked for about 2 weeks. I'm tired of having a door rattle every time I drive. Get this hand started. Line it back up with where the clean spot is on the truck, where there's no dirt, and then we tighten this back down. All right. So we can close this back in our camera. That is a solid door again. There is no rattle. It's going to be a whole new truck. Next on today's agenda is going to be replacing the U-joints on this truck. As a point of interest, the old door striker bolts have a washer that can be pulled off, and I'm gonna bet that once that's pulled off, the bolt itself can be pulled out and the nylon bushing itself can be replaced. Yes, look at that. That threads out. So instead of using duct tape like I did, I think the old bolt itself could be taken off and then a new nylon bushing put on, if that's available from parts houses. I don't know if it is. I figured for about $8 each I was able to replace the entire bolt and the back striker plate, so it was good to go ahead and get new bolts on there. But in a pinch, with the T50 star bit, you can take the old one off, possibly replace it if it's available. I don't know. There's plenty of online places that you can buy parts, so that may be available. And that nylon bushing, you can just go right around there and then thread it right back in. And then put the little retaining washer over that. Thread it off or just snap it in place. So I'm going to hold on to those actually. I'm going to see if I can find a new bushing for those. I'll post it. If y'all know of where I can get one, let me know right in the comments. Hit like and subscribe.